Necklace, check. Wig, check. Shirt with the message, check. Hello everyone and welcome to another video. I'm really antsy right now, real giddy, because this video is about to put my skills to the test. Stuff like this gets me real hype. So simply put, today's video, I'm going to be testing myself to see if I can do my full face of makeup in 5 minutes. Once this timer starts, it's go time. I love you. So yeah, my makeup is sitting right here. Let's get into this. Let me set my timer, 5 minutes. Woo, 5 minutes is not a lot of time. Okay, listen. I don't even have anything else to say. What am I doing? I'm stalling. Bronzer, yeah, I'm not showing y'all anything. Everything will be in the description bar. I don't have time. This is basically get ready with me in 5 minutes. So that means I can't have my wig on. That's what that means. My wig's gonna have to be tossed on too. Thank you, WowAfrican, for also sponsoring this video. This wig is from them. Description, area, details. All right. Might even have to burn some Palo Santo. I can't do this. Goodness and mercy on my life. Becca, I can't talk anymore. 5 minutes. Ready? Ready? 2, go! Ollie, get off me. Fact number 1 about myself is I drink my tea with no sugar. I don't like sugar in it anymore. My mom made me that way. Moving on. Fenty. Okay. This is the concealer. Okay, fact number 2 about me. I took American Sign Language when I was in high school. I think it was 3 years. And I actually got really good. Like, I would be able to actually communicate with someone who knows fluent ASL. I'm forgetting there's a timer. My eyebrows are important. Fact number 3, I sweat. Especially when I get nervous or I'm in a new setting. My mustache will sweat, my hands will sweat. I'm exposing a lot about myself. I'm sweating right now. Okay. Eyeshadow? Next fact. My weight goes up and down. My weight is always fluctuating. I'll lose weight and then I'll gain it right back because I eat a lot and I go through like these little spurts of like where I love to eat and then I'll like gain mad weight and then I like look in the mirror and I'm like, bitch, what are you doing? And then I'll lose weight again. You get me, right? Mascara. It's fine. I'm doing fine. This is fine. This is fine. Oh, baby, I just don't get it. Next fact. I don't even know myself. Fact! Oh my god. My head is bumping. What else? Oh, most important, bronzer. You just need some bronzer. It'll really tie you together. Okay, she's basically done, right? This wig has to come correct. I don't even want to look at the time. Oh, I didn't even turn the straightener on. She's coming together. I need a lip. I just got this Fenty stuff. My hands are sweating. I can't even open it. Do you like it? Who cares? Oh, I hate it. Oh, I hate it. This lip needs to come off. I threw my beauty blender on the floor. Okay. There's no way the timer's still going. Okay. That's fine. It's not terrible. It's just not blended into my neck. That's not bad. I like when my eyebrows look real sharp, but you know, this is like a natural day in a rush day. Listen, I'm not a makeup guru, right? But like, you could get away with this face. Like, just on everyday wear. I'm proud of myself. The fact that I was able to put lipstick on and take it off, I can confirm my wig is not secure. There's some mascara at the top. Okay, it's okay. It's actually all good. I don't even know how I did that fact thing. I was just exposing myself. Be honest. Be honest in the comments. I believe. Here is my, I need to calm down. This face is yelling, take a break. Relax. If it wasn't for this wig, I wouldn't look put together. Let's be honest. On that note, I am tired. If I could do the little slow-mo and have it look semi-decent, that's all I need. Okay, ready? Let me turn into it. How was that, y'all? Thank you again, WowAfrican, for this wig, making it so convenient to put it on with that adjustable strap in the back. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it brought some entertainment. And thank you for all the love on my recent videos. And thank you to all the new subscribers. Where's that coming from? But thank you. I love you. XO, baby. XO. I was so panicky the whole time that I have no clue what I said. I have no clue what I did. I am excited to look back at this footage. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Comment what you would have changed or what you would have done. Comment something, okay? I'm reading them. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not on YouTube, you can follow me at Dope Ethiopian on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. I think I got a Facebook. Hit me up there if you want to. And yeah, y'all. I'll see y'all in my next video. Oh yeah, and new season, new goals. Peace out. On that note, whoa, if I had a small forehead, gross. I like my big gumbar.